this. So this is one of the feature, right? The powerful feature that is available in Power BI, the Q&A, the question and answer visual. So with this, we can delve deeper into data and improve or enhance our dashboard creation, right? With the help of the artificial intelligence running behind this Power BI. This is one of the artificial intelligence feature. How many of you are aware of artificial intelligence? Human intelligence, artificial intelligence, data science, right? You might have heard about this term, data science. Data science falls under artificial intelligence. Okay, so they have powered the Power BI with artificial intelligence features. This is one of the classic example. The Q&A, the Q&A feature, the question and answer feature of Power BI is one of the artificial intelligence feature. Okay. So here the natural language, they call it natural language processing in the case of artificial intelligence. In that case, so how many of you are aware of the speech recognition? When you click on the Google Assistant in your Google Chrome or right in the browser, right? And if you ask any questions, it can convert our question into text and then process it, and then it responds to us with the appropriate or relevant answer. In voice, right? Voice recognition. It's all popular because of the advancement they made as part of the artificial. There is something called natural language processing. That's where they made some kind of advancement. So the same thing is they implemented as part of Q&A. You just type it, it gives you everything, whatever you wanted. Okay. So this is how the Microsoft Power BI make use of the artificial intelligence. Okay. And if I for example, if I remove everything and just look here, if I remove my text, whatever, so it displays the shows all suggestions. If you click on it, gives us all these show categories and product names and compare weekday versus quantity. Look here, weekday versus quantity. Okay, so 5768 here it is not showing correctly. Anyway, I just remove it. It sums the value. Sure. And here most recent calendars show sum of sales, average quantity, show sales month to date. See month to date what it says. It shows us. Any month to date, year to date, as part of DAX will be covering it. Time intelligence, some time intelligence. So that's all right. So these are the visual. Tomorrow, what we will do is we will continue with slices. Different types of slices we'll take a look at. That is very important. And we will understand what is edit interactions all about and what is the difference between slicer and filter. With filter, what we can do it. Right. So, and also other visuals like decomposition tree and key influencer visual. We'll take a look at it. And then what are the other, we'll take a look at, right? If there are any other visual that you need to be aware of, we'll take a look at it. And we'll take a look at some other custom visual, okay? Custom visual also we'll take a look at it. So then in the interview, they'll ask you, what are the custom visual that you've used it, right? So you should be knowing the custom visual also. We'll take a look at that one also. And tomorrow we will end all the visualization related topics. And then what we will do is this upcoming Tuesday night, we will circle back and then we'll discuss about we'll start the DAX. So the Tuesday and Tuesday and Thursday, we'll try to fast track the DAX part, okay, with demonstration, everything. And then the next Saturday, okay, and we'll explain you the project, okay, the HR analytics project. We'll explain you, and I'll give you the data set, everything, with the knowledge whatever you learned, right? So you need to apply this and then create a stunning dashboard or reports. And yeah, we need before DAX. Yeah, we will see tomorrow itself, right? After completion of the visuals, and we'll jump in and give you an overview of how to navigate the Power BI cloud service. And plus, yeah, the row level thing, everything, row level security, all the things, right? So we need, we cannot start the DAX on this upcoming Tuesday. We will cover that part, the admin part, row level security Okay, and then how to test it on cloud and the incremental refresh. How do we configure it? All the things we will take a look at it on this in upcoming Tuesday. Tomorrow we'll try to complete all the visualization part, including the navigation of your Power BI cloud service. Okay, and upcoming Thursday and the Saturday we'll try to fast track the DAX part, and Sunday, right? Sunday also we'll cover a few DAX functions with DAX Studio, how to use DAX Studio. And then we will continue with the, if possible, right? We'll get started. We set the ball rolling for the SQL part. So 29th, 30th SQL part. And then most likely February 1st, February 1st week, right? We'll try to finish up the SQL part also, including the window functions, all the things. And then you're all set, right? The Feb second week, you should be able to clear the interview. And then let me see if I can show you a demo on SSIS also. We'll give you an SSIS also, a demo, one simple 1 or 2 pipelines we'll create it and I'll show you. Okay, but importantly, by Feb first weekend, you should be up and running with Power BI and SQL query, including the project description, everything. Second week, we will take a look at the SSIS, correct? SSIS and Azure fundamentals. So in this batch, right, I'm planning to cover it because of credit card issue, all the things. I'm not able to give the demo for the past batch. Anyhow, I'll share the videos to my previous batch members also so that they can benefit. So, okay, what are the types of storage that are there in Azure? Like the file storage, blob storage, binary large object storage, and then where we store the semi-structured data, unstructured data, blob storage. So all those things we'll discuss it as part of Azure fundamentals. Okay. Fine, guys. Keep go through the interview questions in my website, even in the YouTube. We have shorts here, right? So look here, I have created few shots, though it appears very insignificant, but it is good. It will keep you to prepare well for the interview. I just take you here. If you see here, and if you go to my the channel here, if you see shorts here, right? So if you click on the shorts, you will find the questions, and here. So this is very much important. Okay, though the number of views are less, right? This is very much important. This is what you can expect it from the interview questions. What are the connection modes in Power BI and how to choose which one? Tell me any text scenario that you handle in Power BI. What are the visual that you use? Difference between line and bar chart. How to find the current charting by slide to show a quad visual. How to find the current month sales to show in a quad visual. Yeah, row level security and the types of row level, object level security, dynamic row level security, BI services. Okay, and these are the things they will ask. And apart from this, the interview preparation session. Okay, that video also you can watch it. Fine, guys. This is the plan for the the upcoming days. In fact, we want to fast track. We will try to end this batch at the earlier. Okay? Instead of taking it to every weekend only, right? We'll fast track and we'll close it up so that from second week onwards, second week beginning, you could start prepare it, review the topics, whatever, including the project work, whatever I give it, you work on it. And the assignment, in the meanwhile, complete the quizzes. I could see none of you complete the quizzes in my website, right? Go and complete all the quizzes. So far, the topics, whatever I covered. Okay, you any questions so far? Okay, since you don't have any questions, I'm going to wrap up the session. We'll upload the video and you can check my channel. I guess all of you have the playlist, right, with you. Otherwise, I will send you the, the playlist once again. You can watch it because in my website, due to recent crash, most of the videos went up, but still all the videos are available in the YouTube channel. Don't worry. Fine, guys. Thanks for all your time. We'll circle back tomorrow, same time. The meeting invite remains the same. Don't worry.